Hi guys, Sun in the mom's kitchen again today. How are you? Oke, so Mami udah siapin something nih. Mami mau bikin something. Oke. Mami mau bikin apa, Mam, hari ini, Mam?
Kita mau bikin bakso goreng yang paling enak.
Oh, okay. So Mommy's gonna make a deep fried balls. It's easy and yummy. Oke, oke, Mam. Bahan-bahannya apa aja nih, Mam? Buat bikin bakso goreng Mami yang paling enak nih.
Ya, pertama kita siapkan dulu dagingnya. Kita pakai babi yang udah dicincang, udang yang udah dicincang, dan ikan yang udah dicincang, yang udah dipaste.
Udah dicampur semuanya,
Ya,
Mam?
campur kira-kira 1 kilo. Campur semuanya.
Oke. So, apalagi, Mam?
Kita pakai juga telur 7 butir.
Terus?
Sagu 400 gram.
Oke.
Garam 3 sendok teh. Lada kira-kira, dan baking powder 1 sendok teh.
Okay, so this is what we need to make the deep fry ground meats. It's very yummy. You can try at home. This is the mixed ground meat. So you can use ground pork, ground chicken, or ground shrimp. Okay, so here we use the total is about 1 kilogram. It's about 2 pounds. Okay, and this is 7 piece of egg, and this is we need 400 grams tapioca starch, and we need 1 teaspoon baking powder, 3 teaspoon salt, and a little bit pepper, about 1 teaspoon. Okay, okay. So pertama-tama mau diapain dulu nih, Mam?
Pertama kita mau ini babinya, ikan dan udang kita mau campur sama telur, sama tapioka, sama garam, sama baking powder dan lada. Kita aduk semua jadi satu.
Okay, so this is the mixed ground meat. This is mixed fish paste, ground shrimp, and then ground pork and ground chicken. This is all total 2 pounds. We mix it, all the ingredients here. All the eggs, the tapioca starch, the baking powder, the salt, and the pepper. We mix it all together, okay? We combine it. We mix it until evenly combined together. Okay?
Kita aduk rata. Hasilnya seperti ini ya.
Okay, see? This is after all we mix evenly combined. See? Well, combined together. See, like this. Sekarang mau ditinggal digoreng ya, Mam, ya?
Oke, iya.
Okay, now we ready to deep fry it. Before we gonna make it like a balls, then we can deep fry it, okay? Terus sebelumnya kita siapin apa sekarang, Mam?
Kita panasin minyak agak banyak. Terus kita apinya kita nyalain. Jangan besar-besar.
Yang kecil aja ya?
Yap.
Okay, now we prepare our oil in the pan with quite little bit more oil. So you can deep fry it, and then put the heat like a low heat first, okay? Now, Mommy's gonna show how to make the bowl. Okay, sebelumnya kita harus preparein satu bowl sini ya. Siapin satu mangkok air supaya kita bisa bulet-buletinnya bagus ya. So we prepare, this is a water in the bowl. Okay, we can show you how to make the balls to make it looks good, okay? Oke, first of all, pertama-tama kita celupin ini ya, sendoknya ke dalam air. First of all, we dip the spoon. I have 1 big spoon and 1 small spoon. 1 sendok gede, 1 sendok kecil. Kita celupin sendoknya yang sendok makan, 1 sendok sayur. Kita celupin ke air. We dip it in the water first, and then we scoop like this much. Like a 1 tablespoon. This is 1 tablespoon. This is 1 serving spoon. Okay. Then after we scoop, we do like this. We make like a bowl. Move from 1 spoon to the other, like this, until it's smooth. Okay. Kita bulet-buletin kayak gini ya. Pindahin dari sendok yang gede ke kecil. Putar-putar. Like this. We scoop like this. Until sampai bulatnya tuh rata ya, until the bowl is look smooth. If it's sticky, then we dip it in the water again. Do again. Oke, sampai bulatannya smooth. Kalau udah kira-kira smooth, udah licin, minyaknya kalau sudah cukup panas sedikit, kita masukin ya. So if it looks smooth like this, then you can put it in the oil in the pan. Okay, we do it again. Lagi kita scoop lagi, like this one, 1 tablespoon, and then we scoop it, move around, make it sort of circle like this. If you want it a little bit bigger, add a little bit. Dip it in the water again, dip it di air lagi supaya bisa smooth, so it can be, the balls can be look smooth. Make it a circle, scoop it back and forth from the small spoon to the bigger spoon like this. See, until it's smooth, sampai itunya, bolanya bentuknya licin ya, permukaannya. Balik terus, kita putar-putar. Then it's smooth enough, then we put it in the pan. One more show, we dip it lagi supaya nggak liket, so it's not gonna be sticky, so it can be smooth. So we scoop again, take a little bit more. Okay, like that. Okay, still smooth. Okay, so supaya rata bakso gorengnya bulatnya rata ya, jadi mesti dibulak-balik terus begini ya. Jadi bulatnya tuh licin rata. So this is what you have to do. So the ball is gonna be smooth. The outside, the round ball is smooth. So you have to do like this. Make it round. Okay. And then when it's smooth enough, okay, then you can do for the rest of the meat. Okay, adonan terusnya ya. Okay, nah udah penggorengannya udah cukup penuh ya, sekitar udah 12 bakso. Apinya sekarang kita gedein sedikit sampai medium. Okay, dan kita akan goreng selama 30 menit ya. Harus sekitar 30 menit supaya nggak kempot kalau diangkatnya. Okay, so this one is about 12 balls now. Okay, this is about 12 balls. Then we can put the heat a little bit higher. It's about medium heat. Then we gonna deep fry it for about 30 minutes. Okay, it has to be enough, like about 30 minutes. Otherwise, if you less than 30 minutes, then when you take out from the deep fry, it's gonna be shrink the ball. So we want to make it, the ball is not gonna be shrink. It's gonna be looks no nice. Okay, okay. This is ini kita udah hitung ya. Kita mulai tadi jam this is baru sekitar 2-3 menit yang lalu. Okay, so about 30 minutes. Oke, ini setelah 10 menit ya, kayak begini ya. Kita balik-balik, gorengnya juga dibalik-balik, diputer-puter ya. So sih warnanya tuh sudah mulai kecoklatan sedikit, tapi masih belum. Oke, so this is the after we deep fry it about 10 minutes. Okay, so we still need about 20 more minutes. It looks like this. It's like okay. So look at the color is just a little bit brown now. So you can flip it around. So it's gonna be fried evenly. Okay, so masih 20 menit lagi. Okay, ini setelah 20 menit ya, tuh udah mulai makin kuning. Okay, tapi masih 10 menit lagi. Okay, so this is after 20 minutes. See, the color is more brown now, but still you need keep deep frying another 10 minutes. Okay, you can flip around to the meatballs. Okay, looks so good. Oke, ini kelihatannya udah cukup matang ya. Ini udah lebih dari 25 menit, udah hampir 30 menit. Oke, sekarang kita mau angkat ya, udah cukup matang. Oke. Tuh sih, udah. Okay, now is enough. It's already more than 25 minutes, almost 30 minutes. It's cooked already, cooked enough. Now we're gonna take out from the pans, okay? Wow. Look at this. Okay, see? Wow, looks so yummy. Itu udah mateng nih, tinggal disantap, udah garing. Wow, okay. It's already deep fry, it's ready, just ready to be enjoy, okay? Oke, untuk yang berikutnya, kalau kita kan masih ada dagingnya, kita mau goreng lagi, apinya dimatiin dulu ya, supaya jangan terlalu panas. Okay, we have to, okay. So for the next batch, before we put it inside all the meat, the meatballs, you have to turn off the heat first, okay? Because the oil is already hot, so you have to turn it off while you make the meat round and then put it inside the pan, okay? For the next batch, okay? You turn it off once the pan is full with the meatballs, then you can turn on the heat again. Oke, setelah udah dibulet-buletin, udah masuk semuanya, udah penuh penggorengannya, baru apinya dinyalain lagi ya. So you turn the medium heat, okay? Okay, now we ready to enjoy. Okay, see you guys. Ini bakso goreng yang paling enak, gampang, yummy dan mudah sekali. Oke, ini bakso goreng zaman now. Oke, ini bakso goreng. So this is very easy to cook, very yummy. This is new normal deep fried meatball. Okay, enjoy. I hope you like it. You enjoy it. Please like, share, and subscribe for the next video. Okay, see you guys. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye. Wow, look at this. Yummy. Wow.